Alright, so I'm going to take this GA420 Wolfang Action Camera. I'm going to connect it to the front of my surfboard and we're going to go kite surfing. Let me just show it to you here. It pops off pretty easy. It's just got it spring loaded. Pop it out of here. Alright, so here it is. And as you can see, it looks a lot like a GoPro. The difference is this one's $100, this one's, $400, depending on when and where you buy it. To turn this on, it's got a little button on the side, universal turn on button. If I press it and hold it, it comes on. You can see that I've got a card in it and we're fully charged. I'm going to be shooting 4K, 30 frames a second. I could boost it up to 60, but I think I'm just going to leave it like that. I'm going to put it in its case. I just set her in like this, close it, and bam, Bob's your uncle. Now all we got to do is slide this on the front of the surfboard, and off we go. All right, so we're going to check it out and see what you guys think of the video. All right, let's do it. All right, so anyway, I have the Wolfang GA420 connected to the very front or tip of my 6-foot surfboard. And as you can see, the video is stellar. For a $100 camera, I've got to say that this thing gives you really good video. And for the price, I mean, you could buy 4 of these for the price of a GoPro. And take a look at the colors. And remember, I'm shooting 4K at 30 frames. I could have shot it even higher at 60 frames, which I should have probably. But man, this gave me really good video. And I'm very happy with the camera, so I would highly recommend it. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you stuff like this. Peace out.